Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by acting fast. Sanitize everything because contamination kills wine, then crush 2 kg ripe mulberries to release juice and flavor. Once done, dissolve 1.52 kg sugar in warm water to reach roughly 20 degrees Brix. This gives the yeast fermentable fuel needed for desired alcohol. Add 3,5G yeast nutrient and pitch a packet of wine yeast at 20-25 degrees C to start fermentation. Make sure to cover the vessel with a breathable lid. This starts aerobic activity for yeast growth before full fermentation begins. You now manage the aggressive first week. Stir the must twice daily to submerge skins and oxygenate yeast for healthy fermentation. This helps extract color and flavor. Once bubbling slows, check specific gravity with a hydrometer. Expect a drop from around 1.080 toward 1.010, record readings to track progress. When you see reduced activity and a cleaner cap, press the must and transfer the free-run wine off the skins into a carboy, leaving heavy sediment behind. This reduces bitterness and prepares the wine for conditioning. You complete the wine by racking every 2 to 3 months until it clears. This removes lees that can create off flavors. Once stable, taste and adjust acidity or sweetness, then age for 6 to 12 months in carboy or oak to develop complexity. When clarity and flavor are where you want them, stabilize with sulfite if using, then bottle with appropriate closures and minimal oxygen pickup. If you detect sour, vinegar-like off flavors, act quickly. Raise free sulfite moderately and focus on sanitation to halt bacterial activity and save the batch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.